Hello, you guys. Today we're gonna do a bulky loss situation for a Mercedes CLA 2014 October. Okay, so we're just gonna go to Mercedes Benz. We're gonna have XP400 connected. This key is an X-source key, so we're gonna keep it without battery when we're using Autel. If not, they're just gonna say invalid key. We're just gonna go to Smart Selection. And this car, we're just going to connect the OBD. This type, you cannot go fast, so you're just going to go all key lost regular on vehicle. And we're going to hit yes. There is no G-box needed. It's just going to be OBD. So it's going to read the EIS data. Now it tells us to put the key into the IR key all of the programmer. So you just put it in the XP400. And remember, because we're using an X-source key, take the battery off. So we don't have a key password. We're just going to hit no and then OK for entering calculation. Make sure you connect OBD, the emulator, the ABP125 to the ignition. And we're going to hit OK. So now it's connecting to obtain data. It's calculating the password. It tells us to take the emulator in and out. So as soon as we took it in and out, we went into calculation. Now we're just going to wait and see how long it's going to take. I will come back and tell you when we're done. So after about not even 5 minutes, we got the code, so you guys should just take a picture of that and you're just gonna hit OK. Password calculation is complete, so you're just gonna keep the key over there and you're gonna press OK. Now it's generating a key file, which will later be written into the key. So it just takes a second. Now we put the blank key into the IR keyhole, detecting the key. It's writing the key file. And it says that everything has been completed. So we're just gonna take the key out. And remember, it's an X-source key, so we're just gonna place the battery. And after the key is with the battery, we're just gonna take the emulator off and we're gonna place the key into the ignition. And as you can see, cluster comes on. Car does not have enough battery to start. But as far as the key works. Remote is very responsive. So this is how you do their Mercedes CLA 2014. Thank you for watching, guys.